Hi guys, welcome to this short video about the question what you can do when your GoPro 10 Hero Black is not turning on anymore. That's the one which I have here. Just bought it a couple of months ago in December, and now I've just used it to record a video with the GoPro media mode, and I turned it off and I wanted to recharge it from about 80% to 100%. I plugged it in. I mean, here you have the charge, the opening here for USB-C. I had it inside. I wanted to charge it and there was no red light. So usually when you have it plugged in and charging, then there's a red light, or even two or three of them, can't really remember anymore. And it didn't show any red light. I took it out and I tried to charge it like that when I had the battery just inside here. So I had it like this inside. I mean, you have to make sure that it's on the correct side, and I have plugged it in like this and it didn't show any red light. But still, the strange thing was here on the wall charger, it was showing about 0.6 amps charge. That's really weird. And I also checked after some time, maybe after, let's say 14 minutes or so, I checked on this side here and it got really warm. So this made me actually believe that the battery was charging inside, but for some strange reason the GoPro didn't show this red light. So what you can do, I mean, of course you can see this now here when you remove everything. I mean, this is what we really recommend, to remove the battery and put the battery back and then try charging. But if it's not charging, then also try to remove the micro SD card, then try just with the battery, maybe put also the micro SD card back. But you can see it now in my case, after removing the battery and then charging, it is still working as normal. The weird thing is the GoPro support, which I called, I had them on the phone just a couple of minutes ago. They asked me to remove everything like the battery, micro SD card, have it like this, then plug it in. I mean, by the way, when I had the battery inside and it wouldn't charge, wouldn't show red light anymore, I also couldn't turn it on anymore. No matter how long I pressed, I couldn't turn it on anymore. Now, when I have removed everything, we can long press here on the left side and it easily turns on, as you can see. So also what they wanted me to check is just pull down the screen to make sure you can access the settings. And they said, yeah, when you can access the settings, usually the GoPro should be okay. So their assumption was that the battery is not okay anymore. And they opened a case for me. They sent me an email. I had to confirm my address and make some pictures of the battery, and they will send me now a replacement. And I think this is a very good thing, and I highly suggest to do when you have such problems, because I never had similar issues with my old GoPro 7 before, and so I think it's really the battery. I hope it's really the battery. I mean, I will see after that. Of course, if you're in an emergency situation, I mean you really need to record something with the GoPro and it's not working anymore, then some people are recommending to long press. First long press here on the side with the battery inside. If that is not working, have it like that, remove the battery, maybe remove also the micro SD card, plug it in, and then long press. If it's not turning on with a short press, then long press like 10-15 seconds or so. Some people seem to have success with that. Now I'm putting everything back. So here's the micro SD card, pushing this in. Now let's do also the battery, put it inside, plug it in and try to turn it on. Yeah, okay, it looks like it's working. It's even showing 84% charge. This is really weird. So I really don't know what's the problem here. So there are a lot of people around which seem to have same or similar issues, and the big problem is definitely when you are using such media mod cases and you have these problems and you need to remove the battery, then you have to remove all the accessories, the microphone, the light, everything, and you need to unscrew the holder here underneath and then remove the thing and then remove the battery. That's a big pain, so I really hope that this problem is being solved with a new battery. So, and if you want to know if it really solved the problem forever for me, then just don't hesitate to ask me down in the feedback area. So this is what I can tell you at the moment, and I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below. I'm always happy to talk about these things, and if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, see you next time.